Question. Hi all. I have been shaving my body for about the last 10 years, and although with much practice can get the whole job done in under 5 minutes, sheesh, I've been shaving for more than 12 weeks. I was wondering if any of you have tried laser hair removal for both face and legs or body, and if so, does it really work? Thanks in advance for any info. Reply. Yes, I have tried it, on my arms, and yes, it works. Also, my hubby has had his legs and face done. His face has had 2 treatments and already it makes a big difference when he is made up. It is costly but worth it, but drawback: when having treatment you need to keep out of the sun or use a factor 50 sun cream. If you want any more information, email me and I will try and help. Reply. Thanks for the info. May I ask if the zap moment is as uncomfortable as has been reported? I have quite dark hair which is supposedly good for laser removal. Blonde hair is supposed to be difficult for this form of treatment. I have read that the zap moment can be quite painful. How did your hubby react to this? Has he had treatment in other areas which were more comfortable, and has there been much regrowth on treated areas? Getting very curious. Reply. It can be painful, yes. They start the treatment off on a low setting and each session turn it up so it gets stronger. As far as my experience goes, the pain is no worse than waxing, and the benefits outweigh the pain. He has had his face and legs done so far, and plans to have his armpits and chest done. Reply. I would go for Epilite or any other brand of laser, although make sure it's IPL and not just pure laser. You can have electro afterwards, to clear the blonde hairs, which the laser won't be able to clear. What they say about cost is true. Expect to pay around £120 plus per session for your face, and anything up to £200 for your legs. It will hurt like hell for the first few sessions, depending on density of growth. But saying that, if the area is well chilled, it won't be so painful. Don't expect instant results, but you should start to notice something after about 4 or 5 sessions. Your legs and arms will show results more quickly, as the hair is less dense. If you want any more info, mail me. I've had around 18 sessions so far. But then I was going through 2 Mach 3s a week before I started. Reply. Just thought that I would add my tuppence worth. There are many systems around, some work, others don't, but the main problem is that most data and salons use the same treatment protocols for girls and boys. As a post-op I could argue about boy or girl visibly and emotionally, but as far as my beard was concerned I am a boy. The treatment needs to be aggressive so it hurts, but it is quick and so tolerable. At least 10 sessions will be needed to cover the growth cycle and the body's natural ability to repair some of the damage created to the root, dermal papilla. Sessions are between 6 to 8 weeks apart. In comparison to electrolysis, it is a very, very small number. It is clinically proven to work, but again it must be done by a competent practitioner using an effective system, and that is where the problem lies. You don't really know until you have spent your money. Some info on the various information sites is very, very dated and some is inaccurate. This is a plug, but it is not meant to cajole anyone into a treatment, and it is offered genuinely to offer advice. www.transgirl Company UK. The person with the cheesy grin on the front page is me. And if, in addition to the 5 systems I have, there was a better system for hair removal, I would have it. Always happy to answer any questions.